Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You already have Chrome and your iPhone ready. Start now by opening Chrome. Tap the Chrome icon to launch the app, then look at the top right for tab count. If you see a number or the mask icon, you're in Incognito or have Incognito tabs open. You do this because Incognito keeps tabs separate from regular browsing. Once Chrome is open, tap the Tab Switcher button to view all open Incognito and regular tabs so you can manage them next. Now you'll remove Incognito tabs. Tap the Tabs icon. If you see two profiles, choose the mask icon to show only Incognito tabs. Swipe left on each Incognito tab to close it, or tap the small X on each tile. Closing every Incognito tab ends the private session and removes in-memory history for that session. Make sure no Incognito tiles remain, otherwise Chrome will stay in Incognito mode. Once done, finish by switching to the regular profile, tap the profile or window icon and choose the standard tab group. If Chrome still opens in Incognito, force close the app, swipe up from bottom and remove Chrome, then reopen. If that fails, reboot the iPhone to clear any stuck states. As a last resort, update or reinstall Chrome to reset settings. Troubleshooting tip: if Incognito reappears after reinstall, check screen time or device management profiles that may enforce private browsing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.